Earth materials and processes, minerals and rocks. A mineral is a solid, inorganic, naturally formed substance that has a crystalline structure and specific chemical composition. I know that's a lot to take in, so let's break down this definition piece by piece. First of all, minerals are solid and formed naturally in the earth. Natural solids can be familiar things like sand, granite, salt and wood. Our definition says that minerals are inorganic, which means that they do not consist of tissues from living things. So, that means that wood is not a mineral. A rock is a solid, inorganic, naturally formed substance without a particular atomic structure or chemical composition. It's probably easier to just remember that rocks are made up of two or more minerals. Examples of rocks include granite, limestone, marble, pumice, obsidian, sandstone, shale and let's take granite, for example. Granite is mostly composed of three minerals, quartz, feldspar and mica. Each of these minerals can be found alone in nature, but here, they are mixed up inside of the rock. Sometimes you see large chunks of one of these minerals inside of the granite. Rocks are not all the same. The three main types, or classes, of rock are sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous, and the differences among them have to do with how they are formed. Sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks are formed from particles of sand, shells, pebbles, and other fragments of material. Together, all these particles are called sediment. Metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks are formed under the surface of the earth from the metamorphosis, change, that occurs due to intense heat and pressure, squeezing. The rocks that result from these processes often have ribbon-like layers and may have shiny crystals, formed by minerals growing slowly over time, on their surface. Igneous.
Igneous rocks are formed when magma cools and hardens. Sometimes the magma cools inside the earth, and other times it erupts onto the surface from volcanoes. When lava cools very quickly, no crystals form and the rock looks shiny and glass-like. Exogenous processes. Exogenic processes include geological phenomena and processes that originate externally to the Earth's surface. They are genetically related to the atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, and therefore to processes of weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition, denudation.